Hello, everybody. In this quick video snippet, we're going to cover default invoices, what they are, how to set them up, and how to apply them to a client record. So in order to look at the default invoices, you just go to Setup, go down to Invoices, and then choose Add Edit Default Invoice. And this is just going to bring up a list of every default invoice that's in your system. This very first one, O1, that is the default standard that is in PST when you first install PST. That is the one that is going to automatically be assigned by default to each client record. Now you can create as many other default invoices as you want. And I just have some examples here. This would apply to my Florida clients. This would be my high volume clients. Maybe there's some discounts in here, some out of state. Maybe I have to charge extra fees, so on and so forth. So let's take a look here at the O1, which is the default. Now this has some line items in here already. I have, my quantity, my rate. I can change them if I want. I can put any number in here that I would like to. I can change the quantity if I would like to. And however I leave this window, when I hit accept, that is how any client that has this default invoice assigned to it, that's how the invoice is going to look on a new job, just automatically for me. If I want to add sales items or credits or delete lines to clean it up, I could. So I'll go ahead and accept on that. Now, let's say I want to apply it to a client record. You go to Setup, Client, Add Edit Client, and we're going to bring open Aaron Applegate. And again, right down here, priceless default invoice, it shows O1 because that is the default, but I don't want to use that one for this client. So you click on that browser button. It brings up that same default invoice list. Now I could choose any of these that I wanted to if I wanted to apply one of these default invoices to this client record. Well, let's say I wanted to add a new one. So I click Add New. It's empty. This one's just going to be for Aaron Applegate. And then I'm going to add my sales item. And let's see, I'm just going to charge him a service fee local of $50. And I can even put in my quantity. So now I've got my amount due 50. That's a flat rate. That's all I want to charge this client. So I'll accept on that. It applies that Aaron Applegate invoice to this record, and I accept. And now if I add a new job for Aaron, the invoice that comes up automatically already has the line items that I added, the quantities and rates that I put in, and it already shows my amount due at 50, and that's exactly what I want. So it would be as simple as just clicking enter or hitting accept, and I don't have to do anything with this invoice because it is already the way that I want it. And you can have as many default invoices as you want, one per client, one for every client, doesn't matter. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 407-679-1539, or email us at support@dbsinfo.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.